5 reasons why you must clean and maintain your car. Of course, the main reason that we all keep our car clean is so that it looks nice. And if one of the neighborhood kids writes "clean me" in the dust and filth that has built up on the back of your car, you know it is time for a clean. While looking good is the most obvious reason for keeping your car clean, there are many others. Today, I am sharing with you 5 reasons why you must clean your car. But before we dive into the video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our future videos. 1. A clean car is a safe car. I know that this sounds far-fetched, but this is actually true, and when you think about it, it makes perfect sense. A car that is clean is much easier to see than a car that is all dirty and covered in mud, dust, and bird poo. It is not so much the whole body of the car that I am talking about here, but the lights of the car. If you are driving at night, and your lights are covered in dirt and mess, it makes you far harder to see. Not only that, if your headlights are not able to beam fully, you are not getting a full view of the road in front of you. A nice clean car is far easier to see in terms of the lights, head, brake, and indicators. As well as this, a clean car is much more eye-catching, meaning that other drivers will notice you on the road easier than if your car is encrusted in filth. Having your car regularly serviced by a qualified technician is also important. Routine car maintenance will ensure that all of the parts that keep a car running smoothly and safely are in good working condition. 2. A clean car is a healthy car. For this, we are talking about the inside of the car. I will admit that back in my student days, there were far more old Big Mac wrappers and McNuggets boxes than I would like to admit. However, it is not just all the junk that gets collected in your car I am talking about. Yes, get rid of those chip packets, soda bottles, and fast food packages. Old food and drink is the last thing you want in your car. Its smells will get moldy, and in general, it is just gross. There is more to cleaning the inside of your car than that. Your car, especially the steering wheel, stick, and anything else that you touch will be covered in bacteria. I am talking about tons and tons of bacteria. We would never let our homes get as dirty as we let our cars. So try cleaning your car the same way you would the inside of your home. Use antibacterial cleaners to make sure no nasty bacteria are breeding like crazy in your car. Giving the seats and carpets in your car the once over with a vacuum cleaner once a week will help prevent long-term damage to them caused by food and other dirt being trampled into the upholstery. 3. The world gives your car a real beating. One of the biggest enemies that your car has, apart from moron drivers and kids who spill milkshakes in it, are the elements and Mother Nature. I am talking about salt and acid rain. Bugs that get splatted all over the front of your car, bird poop. I swear there is a gang of birds in the tree outside my house that conspires to poop all over my car. One other thing that does not get mentioned much is tree sap. I have personal experience of this on a past car I had, and I can tell you that, if you leave tree sap to sit on the roof of your car, it is going to damage it and be very hard to remove. The best advice I can give you here is to not put it off until your quarterly trip to the car wash. If birds poop on your car, if there are a million bugs on it, if you have driven by the beach, or if tree sap has dripped onto it, clean that off as soon as you can. This prevents the paintwork from getting damaged, but it also means that when you sell or trade your car in, you will not have a buyer trying to knock money off for a poor paint job. 4. You get more bang for your buck. You are going to say no way to this, but a clean car gets you more miles per gallon than a dirty one. The Mythbusters even proved this on an episode, so we know it is true. Basically, when your car is covered in dirt, your car is not as aerodynamic as the designer intended. It was proven that a clean car can get around 2 more miles per gallon than a dirty one. Now 2 miles per gallon may not sound like a big deal, but when you add it up over the lifetime of your car, you can start to see how much money you could be saving by just making sure your car is not covered in dirt and other mess. Once again, this is not some kind of urban legend. The Mythbusters actually proved that a clean car will go a little further than a dirty one on the same tank of gas. 5. A clean car makes you feel better. Okay, so I am ending this on a bit of a cheesy note, but it is true. Yes, having a clean car is better for your health. Yes, having a clean car will get you more money when you come to sell it, and yes, having a clean car gives you better fuel efficiency. But there is one other thing that having a clean car does, and that is, it makes you feel good. Have you ever got out of your car at Walmart, the movies, or wherever and looked back at it and been disgusted with how dirty it is? I know I have. You never have that with a clean car, and you will feel better as you head out on your journey. Not only does the clean car make you feel better, it is better for any passengers. I used to be embarrassed to give buddies a ride if my car was dirty, and you could see the look of disgust on their face. You do not have that with a clean car, you just have a clean car and a few smiling faces driving down the road. Conclusion. In all seriousness, if you keep on top of cleaning your car, it really is not a big job at all. It is only when you leave it for months at a time, it becomes a big deal, and by then the damage may already be done. I have given you 5 legit reasons why you must clean your car, but above all else, a dirty car is just gross, and you do not want to be that person with the dirty, gross car. So, that's it from our side. Let us know your views in the comments section down below. Also, please don't forget to like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content like today. We hope you enjoyed our video, and we will see you next time.